Hello everyone, this is Anu again and we are back in Varun's kitchen. Today my mom and I are making a snack for you all. It is a very simple munchie, something that you want to have around. This namkeen is very flexible. I love to have it with tea, coffee in the evening or even with a drink at night. So the main component of this namkeen is our puff rice. That's the hero of the dish. But then there are so many other things that can go into it to make it different and it can suit your own taste. So mom, please tell what all is going to go into it.
So first you heat some mustard oil. This is about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. It's already preheated because, as you know, we need to smoke it before we start. Now the first ingredient that you have to put is the curry patta.
So here goes the curry patta.
And we have chopped it a little roughly. Now put in the green chilies. The mustard seeds, about 1 teaspoon. Yeah. Little more, maybe half more.
1.5 teaspoons.
Yeah. Let it splatter a little bit. Okay, now you have to be really quick. Just put this very small pinch of haldi. Yeah, this is enough. And red chili powder.
Again, very little.
A little more. Okay, now you put these. Now, these are the optional ingredients. This is already roasted. These are roasted peanuts. So if you have raw peanuts, then you should add it before the rice goes in. But these are roasted peanuts, so you can add this.
Let's put in our peanuts.
Yeah. Now you can put the
cornflakes
and increase the heat a little bit.
Okay. So I've just tossed it around a little bit just to get all the flavors together. And then we're going to put in the ready namkeen. You can add just about anything over here. If you have some aloo bhujia, that goes really well. I love cashew nuts in our namkeen, so I add that at times. But today I'm adding peanuts, so no cashew nuts in this batch.
So hold on, we need to add the salt.
Well, some of the namkeen already has salt,
yeah,
so we actually put just a tad bit. And now we're gonna put something that Varun really likes in this namkeen, and that's kishmish. We have these beautiful raisins in here, and we're just gonna toss them in there for a few seconds. And then will come our secret ingredient. Okay, so here goes our final and most amazing thing that brings all of this together. This is oil from a pickle. And we make this pickle at home. My mom makes it really well and we have a video on that. And we're just using the mustard oil from that. Yes, mom?
Yes.
So our namkeen is ready and we'll let it cool for a few minutes before indulging in it. And you know, I can smell the aroma of the pickle oil that we just put in here. This achari namkeen is just out of this world. And one of the ways of serving this fresh is garnishing it with a few fresh ingredients. I can't wait to sprinkle some fresh onions and hara dhania. So chatpata, so tangy, crunchy. It's all in one. Wanna take a bite? Give me! This is it's really good. Awesome.
And so crunchy.
Thank you so much for watching. Please do tell us in your comments what special ingredient did you put in there, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.